you have a social media marketing agency and want to set up approval workflows and also collaborate with your team all together in one single dashboard, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. And the tool that we are going to use for that is called Postpanify, which is a social media management platform specifically built for agencies and also growing teams. So let me go into the dashboard and show you things in practice. So first of all, you will be going to workspace step and we'll be creating a workspace for each client you might have. So let's say this client 1, client 2, client 3, and under these workspaces, you can connect the social media accounts of your clients right here. And these are all the available platforms, by the way. It supports Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, and all the platforms you see here. And of course, to collaborate with your team and also collaborate with your clients in the same dashboard, you need to be inviting them as a team member to your workspace. So for example, these are some of the example team members I have. You can just click on invite member, write the email address, select the role, and once you click on send, they can just join your workspace by getting a link to their email. And then of course you can customize all the permissions and all these sort of stuff here as well. And then I will be going into create post page and will be creating a post, scheduling a post for my client accounts. So let's say I want to upload a new media file. I can select from my assets library, or I can even import from Canva, Google Drive, Dropbox, and all the other solutions you see here. So for example, I want to publish this video. I selected it. Then I will be selecting the accounts that I want to publish this post to. Let's say my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok accounts. Then I will be uploading a cover image, or I can even select a frame from my video so I can upload this as a thumbnail. Then I will be writing my post descriptions. Let's say example caption for now, and I can even customize each post per platform, by the way. So for example, for Instagram posts, you can add locations, you can set it up as trial reels, you can add first comments, add collaborators, and all these sort of customizations are supported. Then you can preview your post, how it's going to look like on different platforms. Once you make sure that everything looks all right, you can click on request approval and select the team members that needs to approve this post. This could be your team members, this could be your clients, or whatever. Once I select this, I can schedule this post for a later date or even save it as a draft if I want to come back to you later. And it is just that easy. Once you do that, let me do it just for a second. So for example, I scheduled this Instagram post for today at 10 a.m. in the morning. And I can of course see its preview on my calendar, and I can also see my post details, and as well as the request approval stuff, like I am requesting approval from these two persons, and they can also collaborate with your team via discussions, by the way. Like you can just tag the users like, please take care of this. You can send a message. They will be getting a message so they can just take care of it. You can just collaborate with your team all together to get an approval and make the post go live. So it is that simple. Let me also show you what Postpanify brings into the table with its social media management suite. So first of all, this is the calendar. You will be seeing all your scheduled and published posts all in one place. You can see the details, you can see the previews. You can also discuss with your team if you want to discuss anything related to a post topic. You can switch between weekly and monthly views. You can select your time zone, see your notifications. You can assign any labels or filters to this calendar. Then I want to show you the Analytics suite, because here you can see all the metrics of each account you connect to Postpanify in detail. So I can see my total followers, my views, my engagement rate, and all these historical data right here, like my top posts, like my account-based details, my followers, views, engagement rate per account. And I can even go into each account to see the details of it as well. So for example, these are some of the trend graphs I have, my followers, my views, my best times to post data. I can also see my post performance details, like how many views, likes, replies, and all the other helpful metrics that I get into my posts. So I can make better data-driven decisions. In the social inbox step, you'll be able to manage all your comments and DMs across your accounts as well. So for example, these are some of the comments that I got. I can write a reply back to those. I can even use AI to get help, by the way. I can also get from my saved replies. I can assign these to my teammates so they can take care of it. I can assign labels to those if I want to categorize them. And all these sort of helpful features are inside Postpanify. And of course, in the messages step, you'll be able to manage all your Facebook and Instagram DMs here as well. You can just go into any conversation and just reply back to those. In the media library, you'll be able to manage all your brand assets for your clients here as well. So you can see their images, videos that is being used in the post. You can categorize by creating new folders. You can create new tags. You can also upload new media files to use them again later in your post. And of course, in the reports app, you'll be able to generate branded PDF reports for your clients as well. For example, I can give it a title, select the date range, select the accounts that I want to include in this report. Once I click on generate, I'll be seeing all my reports right here. I can add my own branding, by the way. This is also supported as white label PDF option, or I can even schedule reports to come into my mailbox for the selected team members right here as well. Let me also show you how each report looks like. So for example, this is a PDF view, and I can also see this as a link or even share this link with my clients so they can also see it. So I can see my total followers, my views, my engagement data, and I can also see my change details based on the time zone that I select. I can see the platform breakdown details of each account, like how each of these accounts has performed over that time period. I can see my trend and insights details, my views, my engagement rate by platform, like my followers by platform, and also top performing posts, which is pretty crucial. Like all these helpful metrics are helping you to show your clients the ROI they are getting by using your social media management services. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to get into each detail. You can, of course, just give it a try for free for 7 days. I just wanted to show you a workflow you can leverage in 2026 to make your social media agency actually the best out there and just keep everything organized in one place. So have a great day. Take care. Cheers.